There's an update tonight on this trading battle between home investors fueled by a message board called Reddit and big hedge fund companies on Wall Street, and it's hit a dramatic peak right now. Trading companies blocked sales of GameStop shares, sending the stock tumbling 44%. AMC, BlackBerry, and American Airlines also were all affected by short sell frenzies here that ignited GameStop's rise. News 4 investigative reporter Chris Glorioso has been watching the markets for us, and he's going to help us explain the revolt and what it can mean for us, too, Chris.
Well, the blocking of day traders from buying more GameStop shares has prompted outrage across political and economic lines. There are plans for a congressional hearing on this. The New York Attorney General is looking into it, and there are claims Wall Street elites pulled strings today to protect hedge funds caught in what is known as a short squeeze. In a short squeeze, hedge funds borrow shares of stock and then sell them for cash. Then they wait for the price to drop, and when it hits bottom, they buy the shares back, return them, and keep the profit. But what if the stock price doesn't go down? What if it goes up? That's what happened to the hedge funds that shorted GameStop. They lost billions when investors on a Reddit subgroup called Wall Street Bets collectively bid up the GameStop price.
There were more shares shorted than shares available. That's the most obvious opportunity of a massive bubble, essentially, in that stock.
Chris Josephs is the co-founder of Iris, a social investing platform that allows people to share their investing ideas. He and his partner, Brian Schartz, said the GameStop trade started as an idea to make profit, but it has transformed into a movement.
It actually stopped mattering about making money, but it started becoming, can we destroy Wall Street?
The retail investor revolt boiled over Thursday when many brokerage platforms, including Robinhood, restricted purchases of GameStop and several other highly shorted stocks. The move outraged small investors who took to social media. One writing, "Robinhood just lost a generation of traders." Congresswoman Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez even tweeting, "This is unacceptable."
I do think this is a seminal moment. I don't think we go back.
After so many day traders were restricted from buying it, GameStop's share value predictably dropped, prompting debate on financial news.
It shows all the vulnerabilities and how the system's rigged.
About whether the brokerage platforms blocked those retail traders to bail out the hedge funds.
I'm not surprised that the hedge funds that we all think are in big trouble, I'm not surprised that they've gotten themselves some breathing room. I don't know how it happened. I suspect investigative journalists will piece the story together over the coming weeks and months.
A number of Robinhood users are already suing the platform for blocking GameStop share purchases. The brokerage issued a statement saying it made the move, quote, in light of volatility. But Robinhood's not the only one. Other platforms also restricted purchases of GameStop, of AMC Theaters, BlackBerry, Nokia, and other highly shorted stocks. Day traders, though, still not backing down. They are talking even right now about buying more shares whenever they can to squeeze those hedge funds. Back to you.
Yeah, it's going to take a lot to stop them. Major ramifications. Chris, thank you so much.